I met Yibbija a few years ago, and his condition really was a bit of a roller coaster. It was up and down, and in the last stages of his life, I'd go out to see him at home, and he'd be asleep for most of the time. And I never forget the last time I went to see him. I would play very quiet, gentle music while he's asleep, and I was just about to finish the session. I switched the keyboard off, and he opened his eyes and he said, "Ray, I want to write a song." And I said, "Well, what do you want to write a song about?" He said, "Well, I want to write a song to my mummy and my daddy." And I said, "OK, well, what sort of words do you have in mind?" And he came up with some words, and we very quickly put a song together. And it's a song about, you know, how he felt at the end of life. He struggled for most of his life and had lots of pain. But the words in the song really convey his feeling about life.
Beautiful world, beautiful world, beautiful world. Beautiful world, beautiful creatures, beautiful creatures, beautiful creatures, beautiful creatures, beautiful mommy, beautiful mommy, I love you so. I love you so. Beautiful daddy, beautiful daddy, I love you so. I love you so.
That's why we're doing it. That's exactly why we're doing it. That was the launch day at Walker Close in Ipswich just 9 months ago. The East Anglia's Children's Hospice's music therapist Rayu Travassu there, sharing a piece of music he'd made with a young man no longer with us called Yibbija. That was Yibbija's song, which just kind of says it all, really.